guys, Parkour Gaming here, and I'm playing some Block City Wars. We are right now in this beautiful helicopter that's just hovering. Ow, I just put my head against the my bed. Go check out Little Derek Gaming. He has an intro leading and ready. I'm gonna lean to the right. Oh, do you see that big red thing? I just shot that. Okay, guess red thing. Boom. Whoa, there's a big red helicopter. Go up, go up, go up. Okay, I'm getting this and about. I missed and I got wasted. I just died, guys. Where's the building? There's the building. My helicopter's floating. Oh, it just disappeared. How do you get up there? Is there a ladder anywhere? Please be a ladder somewhere. Come on. Be in the back, be in the back, be in the back. Are you serious? Oh, I forgot I could just fly up there. This is a rescue helicopter, I think. I think it's a rescue helicopter. Yeah. Lean to the side. Lean to the other side. Okay, we're landing. We're landing. Oh, I want to land on the head. Cut, go up. No way, jumped out. Get in. I was on top of it. Wait, let me try that again. Shoot, 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 shoot. Jump out. I can just be like this in midair. But if I press anything, I'm gonna have to fly back up there. Okay, I'm gonna go super high, guys. I'm gonna try. There's another helicopter. Yes, that's the helicopter that I've always been wanting. Jump out. Oh shoot, I'm on. No! There's a helicopter hovering above us. I'm gonna get chopped. Ow! Ow! But where'd it go? Oh, it deleted. I have this one then. I already went through 3 helicopters. Army helicopter. Wait, ready? Boom. Oh, no! Go up, go up, go up. Be there. And Epicish get in. Epicish comeback, guys. Yay. Awesome. I'm definitely going to try to see if there's helicopters. I'm just going to try to put them right on my screen. Go forward. And on this building right here. Oh shoot, get back in. Oh my gosh, another comeback. Hover. No, get back in. Oh my, I was flying. I wish I can do that, but there's a third freaking helicopter, a 4th helicopter that I've been taking. I may just get this, but this is the helicopter in the beginning. So what if this one's messed up? I'll take that one. I'm saving up for my 2 coins to be go. Okay, let go. And we are oh my god. We are okay. We are not landed yet. I've been fighting several helicopters, guys. And we are not landed yet. I landed on the bank. Get down. Go forward. Come down. Get down over here. Hit that. We have landed on the bank, guys. Oh no, we're hovering off. Let's go backwards. Oh no.
I can't breathe. You're such a meanie.
It's like you can't breathe, Pierce.
Because I was laying on him.
He still could've.
Mental toughness. None.
Yeah, you got none. I got a lot.
None.
Oh, can we land it?
None.
Can we land it, guys? Perfect.
I don't think you guys are really sandals.
Perfect, guys. We've landed our helicopter.
I think the only guy that's a sandal is Derek and Steele.
I'm a sandal.
Nah, I don't think so.
I just landed a helicopter pro style.
Those are only guys that are tough like me. I'm tough.
Woohoo. No!
You're not tough.
Helicopter right there. What if? All I needed to do right now is just find a jetpack. Oh, jetpack. Think so. Jetpack right here. Yeah, baby. Okay, got it. So let's start going. I saw that helicopter over there. And I'm not going to use it all till I get there, guys. Crap. Hey, guys. I'm so happy. And go up. And stop. Woo. In the helicopter, let's go get that personal yellow and black one. I think it was over here. Start going up again, guys. Think it was over here. Oh no, yeah, it is over here. It's over there. Okay, see it. I will drop in to be all the way above it. And get out. Wait, land the helicopter. Land it safely and get out. Good. We landed it. Okay. Now we got this black one. You just started it like this. And then the other one went gone because, you know, there's a, it's gonna hover. Around the beach. And into, there's a boat down there, and into the, or should I try to shoot the, dude, there's a tank. Should I, guys, should I get it? This one exploded, then I'll come back in my helicopter. Or what if we don't have the helicopter again? I think we won't have it. Oh God. Oh God. Oh God, I'm getting shot at, guys. This is not good. They probably think that I'm an enemy. Oh God. Windmills, windmills. Ooh. Going back, I'm going back. Oh no, I accidentally pressed it. Oh God, guys. Press it again, but if I fall, I'm falling in water. Okay, so let me try it again. Woo! No! Come on, come on. And another comeback. Crap, guys. I'm gonna start throwing bombs or landing, guys. I'm gonna land. Or I'm just gonna start kind of swimming in the pool. Okay, don't care about this. Whee! Oh shoot. Go over here, go over here. Go over here. And land in the pool, land in the pool. Oh my gosh. Land in the pool.
You playing with little Derek?
So we're gonna be here. We're gonna swim all the way down there. 5. No, wait. Ready? 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We got it. Yay. Now we have 3 coins. And I can get the thing that I want. It's the same thing as Isaiah, which is my friend, so I'm just going to come back. Get this helicopter. Quick. And I'm good. Guys, should I be on the helicopter and jump off? And then just like be really high. And then jump off. I think I should try that and see what happens to me. And tell me when to go, guys. Well, you can't tell me, but in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's do this. Jump out. Well, I think I'm gonna die, guys. Oh. I died. Now, hope you guys enjoyed this video, but I have one more thing to do for you guys. Gonna go into menu. Oh, I love that. And then I'm gonna buy a new skin. I love this skin. It's this is awesome. I'm gonna get free money. I'm gonna do I'm gonna do it, honey. Wait, sorry. I gotta go. This is really hurts. Okay, Deadpool, bye. Yeah, dude. That's awesome, guys. Oh. Woo. Now I'm gonna get free money. I'll watch a video to get this free money, guys. Watch vid, 1,000 monies. I mean 1 money. I don't really care though. 'Cause that's my dream. 7 monies. We're sorry, something went wrong. Please try again. Dismiss. Sale ends in. Okay. Okay. So I bought my skin for you guys. And I hope you guys enjoyed. Parker Gaming signing out. Good Bye.